Expo Jamaica 2018 is the place to be, whether you are a manufacturer, service provider, or if you're in the tourism sector as an exhibitor. Why? Because we have over 20,000 people that actually come through this show, and that is locally, in addition to the over 500 buyers that we have. You're gonna see all things Jamaican from all the different industries that we have in Jamaica. We have over 350 booth spaces between the National Indoor Sports Center and the National Arena.
It is the largest of its kind in the Caribbean. We have it every other year. We had a successful staging in 2016, and we intend to have an equally successful one in 2018. It brings together manufacturers, industries that support the manufacturing sector, service industries, and it brings together those manufacturers and buyers from Jamaica and across the world. Those countries include South Africa, Japan, as I said, North America, South America, Europe, the UK, Canada, India, Nigeria, Belize, and the Caribbean.
We're happy to report that we have 506 buyers registered, and last year we had an attendance of 431. So we are on track to exceeding the number of buyers overseas that came to the show. So they're coming from 23 countries, 15 of which are from the Caribbean. Cuba will be bringing a delegation of 11 companies. From Trinidad and Tobago, we have 11 buyers that will be coming in. And of course, there's a delegation from the Dominican Republic, from the USA, which is our next largest buyers. Some 30 will be coming from the USA. The Jamaica is also very well represented because many of the buyers are from the hotel sectors. And then there are a number of buyers from the distributive trade, from the pharmaceutical sector. And there is a major buyer that we have and we're proud of, because this fits right in with our target of boosting the cosmetics sector. PAC Cosmetics, from the UK, will be attending the show, and they already do business in Jamaica, and we expect that that will also increase with their attendance.
The overarching objective of Expo Jamaica is actually to expand local and export sales. So when these companies interface with over 20,000 consumers and 500 buyers, it's about brand exposure, it's about making deals on the show floor, and it's about convincing the local people that this is why I must buy Jamaican over any foreign product. So it is about buying Jamaican to build Jamaica.
There will also be a park and ride facility. To alleviate the congestion at the arena, we will have parking services at King's House, and JOTC will be providing bus services from King's House, to and from King's House to the arena. And we also have a farmers market, which will showcase quality, fresh produce.
So this is the show to be for everyone in Jamaica, April 19th to 22nd. But just to say that it opens to the public on the Friday to the Sunday. So we open Friday at 5 o'clock to the general public. The cost for entry is actually $800 for general entrance, $200 for children, and for those under 2, you actually come into the show free.